jumla. How will you say li aliyin? Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. So Sister Salman, there is no mudaf ilayhi. I can straight away say shibu jumla khabar. Huh? Okay? Wa tilka, and that is li Khalidin. Huh? So here it is only mubtada, no badal. Huh? Li Khalidin, jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Hadha babu, put a line. Hadha mubtada, al babu badal, and maftuhun khabar. Wa dhalika al babu mughlaqun. So dhalika mubtada, al babu badal, mughlaqun khabar. Liman hazihi sa'atu. You will not say sa'ati, but there is nothing to make it majroor. Huh? Li came, only man became majroor. That's it. Huh? Liman hazihi sa'atu. To whom this watch belongs. Okay, what is the answer? Hiya. It is hiya. It is mubtada. Where is the khabar? Li Abbasin. Jar majrur shubu jumla khabar. Ahadal baytu lit tabib. Tabibi, mashallah. Ahadal baytu lit tabibi. What is the answer? La. Huwa mubtada lil mudarrisi. Jar majrur shubu jumla khabar. Brother, lil mudarrisi. Remember how lil is written. Hamzatul wasal has been dropped. Actually it is li harf jar and then al mudarrisu. Now li came, it will become al mudarrisi, but you put together, you remove in writing hamzatul wasal. It became lil. Because as it is, you are not pronouncing hamzatul wasal. Fine, brother and sister. أهذه الدراجة لابن المؤذن. Is this bicycle belongs to, does this bicycle belong to the son of Muazzin? So see, li harf jar, ibni ism majrur, wa huwa mudaf, and muazzini mudaf ilayhi. Got the idea? Inshallah, inshallah. Naam, yes. Man hadhal waladu? Who is this boy? Huwa talibun min al-Iraqi. So brother, here see, huwa mubtada, talibun, one word, marfu, it is our khabar. So we got our khabar. So what will you say, min al-Iraqi? You will only say jar majrur, nothing else. Jar majrur, okay. أذلك البيت جديد. أذلك البيت جديد. Is that house is new? Is that house a new? La huwa qadimun jiddan. Huwa mubtada, qadimun khabar. And you see jiddan, it's mansub. It is mansub. So what is this mansub noun doing here? We will study in book 3. We won't do now. Just at the moment we understand the meaning. What is the meaning? Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. It's very old. هذه السيارة من الياباني. هذه مبتدا سيارة بدل من الياباني جار مجرور شبه جملة خبر. وتلك تلك مبتدا. And then what is the khabar? Shibu jumla jar majrur khabar. Min Switzerland. Switzerland, that is Switzerland. Okay. Haza sikinu. Haza sikinu. Haza mubtada sikinu badal. Haza sikinu min Almania. Min Almania. Okay. From Germany. وَتِلْكَ الْمِلْأَكَةُ. And that spoon is from Minil Kaltarra, from England. Okay. Now we have a exercise. We read the example and then change the sentence according to the example. Brother, Hada kitabun. Hada kitabun. Hada mubtada. Kitabun khabar. Now we have to make Hada kitabun into mubtada and badal. and then bring the news. So what is the example? Hazal kitabu li Muhammadin. So what is haza? Mubtada. Al kitabu badal. And you said li jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. Okay, badal. Very good. So we have to form these sentences. Very easy exercise, very interesting exercise. Khabar is given to you. Okay, brothers and sisters? And just try to make a sentence. Hada tabibun. How will you say now? Hadal tabibu. Is it clear? Hadal tabibu. And what will be the khabar? Min al Hindi. So as soon as you said Hazal tabibu, Hazat tabibu, not Hazal, but Hazat tabibu, what will you say? Haza mubtada, tabibu, badal. That's okay. Next one. Hazihis sayyaratu. Mubtada badal. Where is the khabar? Lil mudiri. Jar majur, shibu jumla khabar. Zalikal waladu. Mubtada badal. What is the khabar? Ibnul mudarrisi. Ibnu is your khabar. Huwa mudaf and mudaf ilayhi. Fine. Tilkas saatu. What is tilkas saatu? What is the khabar? Min Switzerland. Okay, jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Hadal baytu. Mubtada badal. Where is the khabar? Lil muhandisi. Jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Hadal kalamu. Haza mubtada, kalamu, badal. And li abbasin. Li, jar majrur, shibu jumla khabar. Zalika rajulu. Badal. Where is the news? Muazzinun. That person is a muazzin. Muazzinun. Because when one word comes, no harf jar in front of it, no midaf in front of it, so it has to be marfu. Muazzinun. It will only become majroor if there is a harf jar in front of it, or it comes as a mudaf ilayhi. Or if there is a zarf in front of it. There is nothing. So it is marfu, one word. It's one word, marfu. Very good, brother. Hadihil baydatu. Remember? Hadihil baydatu kabiratun. That is your khabar. Hadal mindilu. This handkerchief. What about it? Wasikhun. Marfu, one word. Hadihil haqibatu. Hadihil haqibatu lil mudarrisi. Lil mudarrisi. Lil mudarrisi. Jar majrur. Shibu jumla khabar. Very good, brother. Ikra misal. Now this is the way we will form the question. Liman hadal kitabu. Remember, brother, it cannot be kitabi. Sometimes some students can make a mistake. Because they saw li in the front, they may say it will kitabi. No. Liman is jar majrur. Khatam. Okay. Hadal kitabu. Okay. Okay. So it is kitabu. What is the answer? Hadal kitabu li Muhammadin. Now we are using the harf jar li. Harf jar li. Okay. So now there is a picture and we got to form a sentence, question, and then give answer. What is the first kalam? So what will you say? Liman hadal kalamu. What will you say? Hadal kalamu li abbasin. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Brother and sister, I hope you will do it at home. Write it at home, inshallah. Next one, brothers and sisters. Liman hadal miftahu. Liman. No, miftahu is a muzakkar. Sister Sukhaina. Miftahu is a muzakkar. Liman hadal miftahu. Hadal miftahu li aliyin. Okay. Now comes muannas. Liman hadhihi sayyaratu. Hadhihi sayyaratu lil mudir. That Hamzatul Wasal will go away and you will say lil mudiri. Very good. Liman hadhil bakaratu. هذه البقرة للفلاح للفلاح لمن هذه الحقيبة هذه الحقيبة للمدرس لمن هذا الكرسي لمن هذا الكرسي هذا الكرسي لعمار. Okay. Next one, brothers and sisters, we already got it here. لمن هذه الدجاجة هذه الدجاجة لبنت الفلاح. Got the idea? لبنت الفلاح. Very good, brother. Now the watch. لمن هذه الساعة. Okay. هذه الساعة لابن المدير. Are you with me? لابن المدير. And we did analyze li harf jar, ibni, ibni, li harf jar, ibni ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and then al mudir, mudaf ilayhi. And then you can say libni jar majroor shibu jumla khabar. Okay? Fine. What is the next one, brother? لمن هذا البيت لمن هذا البيت هذا البيت للطبيب. ما شاء الله. لمن هذه الملعقة هذه الملعقة للطالب. Belongs to the student. Okay. Inshallah, now I will remove this. Okay, I want to, tell you something, brothers and sisters. To acquire knowledge is obligatory. It's obligatory. The first word that Allah revealed, Iqra, read, so that you know. So that word applies to us all the time. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So brother, it is so very important for us to go ahead in our secular studies and our religious studies. We have to. No time to waste. We must always study, And I want to motivate some of you if you are not very strong, okay, brothers and sisters. I am not good at drawing. What did I draw, brothers and sisters? A candle. What do you call candle in Arabic? Shama. And Urdu also? Shama. Or even Farsi. It's in Shama. Okay, brothers and sisters. This Shama represents light, Nur. And what does the Nur do? It dispels darkness. Darkness is injustice and evil things. That is all darkness. And the light is justice, okay, brothers and sisters, and where we know our responsibilities and we are striving to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our daily lives, in our actions of daily lives. Okay, so Nur represents that. Okay. When I was a very small child, we used to have an assembly in the school early morning. And there, we used to sing. 1,000, 1,200 students singing loudly in the ground adjacent to the school, And I never forgot that, brother. And I want to share with you that, inshallah, you'll like it. Garmiye ilm se har saas ko bala kar de. Garmiye ilm se har saas ko bala kar de. Ya Rab, इस खाक के जर्रे को सितारा कर दे. या रब, इस खाक के जर्रे को सितारा कर दे. Now, brother, some of you do not know Urdu, so I'll translate. Garmi-e-ilm, with the power of knowledge, with the intensity of knowledge. Ya Allah, make my every breath a